Hey guys, welcome to our channel. And if you want to install the Bank and Olufsen Audio driver for your HP laptop, that could be any type of model on HP, so this video is for you. Sometimes some models has a different method to install the drivers, but I'm going to show you the most common way how you can install this Bank and Olufsen audio driver. Now here first you have to do is to open the HP Support Assistant. Double click on the HP Support Assistant icon. You can find it on the touch icon, and then click My Device in the top menu, and then click Updates in the My PC or My Notebook pane. Then click Check for Updates or Message to scan for new updates. Review the list of all updates. Update the new EULA information icon are recommended. Updates with a blue information icon are optional. Click the update menu name for a description, version number, and file size. Then select the box next to any updates you want to install, and then click download and install. So you just need to do is do nothing. You have to go to the settings, then update and security, then Windows update, and check for the updates. If you don't have the this Bang and Olufsen audio driver, then it will immediately show you that it is missing, or you need to install this driver for your HP laptop, or if you have one already, so I suggest you to update it if there's an update available or you doesn't install it. So you can follow this process to update your current audio driver, or if it's totally missing from your HP laptop, then you can search for the Windows update and you can find your audio driver. So that's how you can just simply do it. Hope you found this video helpful. If so, then give us a thumbs up. Don't forget to subscribe our channel, and thanks for watching. Till next time.